Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and we just checked in here at this adventure lodge in Algonquin Park in Ontario, and I'll give you a tour of the place. So upon entering the lodge, you can see the bedroom right away. Goes to the bathroom.
Here at Algonquin Park, and we just had our dinner. It got served in the room. It's already almost 8 o'clock at night time, and look at the view. Mochi, mochi, mochi.
So here you go, be. Canoe.
Cool.
Tig-isa nga lang tayong kayak.
Dalawa na, be. Mukhang ano yung tubig, oh.
Oo nga. Canoe na lang, canoe. From that area, we're gonna pass over here, going to the open lake.
Algonquin Provincial Park is the oldest provincial park located between Georgian Bay and the Ottawa River in Ontario, Canada, and was established in 1893. Its current size is about 7,653 square kilometers, or almost 3,000 square miles. Its size, combined with its proximity to the major urban centers of Toronto and Ottawa, makes Algonquin one of the most popular provincial parks in the province and country.
So guys, very peaceful right here, and we're enjoying it. And Ivy's the one paddling, I'm doing nothing.
Over 2,400 lakes and 1,200 kilometers of streams and rivers are located within the park. Algonquin Park was named a National Historic Site of Canada in 1992.
Good morning guys, from Algonquin Park here in Adventure Lodge, and I had a great sleep. Right now we will be going hiking, but for now we will be eating breakfast. It was just delivered to us today. So this is our breakfast. There you go. Yeah. There you go guys, we just had our breakfast. I had 2 eggs, 1 ham, and toast. So Ivy prepared this one, and this is my lunch kit. I have 2 eggs here, the left and the right. Hold them apart, so clean and bright. And another one is the chicken sandwich. Can't wait, this is our lunch. Okay, so what's in my bag right now? I always bring a backpack during hiking because I have my portable charger here for the phones, and my jacket, which is I'm not gonna bring anymore because we've seen the weather. It's not gonna rain. Just fingers crossed that it will not really rain tonight or today. And we have the paper towel right here. I have my drone. It's my drone bag. Going to pack stuff again back, and my lunch, and that water bottle right there.
Fish ang inano ko sa'yo, be. Fish. Halibut.
Okay, fish. Oh, halibut.
With rice
Wow.
and veggies.
Yes. So the thing is, don't rely on your phone because we don't have signal here, and our 3G doesn't work. We have a limited signal, and we forgot the GPS inside the other car. So lesson learned, bring your GPS with you. Yeah, we're gonna do it old-fashioned way, guys. got here inside the trail. Wife is happy. So, you know, for me, really happy wife, happy life. It hasn't been 1 kilometer yet, but we're so tired right now because there's like a steep slopes around the area, and we just want to say that this is for you, Jesse. After maybe 30 minutes, look at that. Good boy.
It was really a nice quick getaway despite of what's going on in the world right now. We are blessed and lucky enough to be able to relax, unwind, and think about stuff that we should be thankful for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.